students, we Ignite is presenting before you the exam analysis for JEE Main Paper 2 second phase, which is held on September 2nd, 2021. So this is the topic of discussion we have for today: the exam pattern, the exam analysis, expected cutoff, index score, JEE percentile versus rank, and last rank details. This is a detailed JEE main exam pattern for architecture, consisting of mathematics, aptitude test and drawing test. For mathematics, you are having 20 MCQ type and 5 numerical value questions, and for aptitude test 50 questions carrying 4 marks each, and for drawing test you have to attend 2 drawing questions each carrying 50 marks. So in total you will be having the exam for 400 marks, and this is as same as what we expected for this JEE exam. Okay, now we will see some of the memory based questions. And in morning session, I think we are having only few students attended in morning session from Ignite. Most of them was allotted in the afternoon session only. So all the feedback was collected from the students, and the analysis is based on our students' response. And most of the questions was as expected. It was comparatively easy, including all the main topics like plan and elevation, mirror image, water image, and also match the following type questions. Now going to the aptitude session, in afternoon session, it was also containing the questions based on plan and elevation, mirror image, water image, match the following and all. One of the students said they are asked for what Bhagalpur is known, and it is known for its silk. And one question based on the ceramic material porcelain was also asked in the aptitude session. Okay, so this is the for afternoon session. Okay. Then one question was based on the Central Vista redevelopment project. It is what India's central administrative area where it's located and all. Question based on this was asked, and also the largest monastery in India was also asked. It is the Tawang Monastery. Okay, this is all about aptitude. Now coming to maths, including both the morning session and afternoon session questions. Always maths, it's not so easy, right? So it was a composition of both tough questions and average question set also, including inductive reasoning, quadratic, area under the curve, and most of the sessions we were having those expected questions only. And it was I think comparing to last years and all, and last times also, it was comparatively easier to attend more questions in math section. Now coming to drawing. For morning session, the drawing part, comparing with afternoon session, the morning session drawing part was slightly more easier. Okay, not so. There will be normalization in your marks and all, so don't worry about that. But the drawing session was having the questions like portrait of a Sardar at Golden Temple, or you decode the image of that what image was given. You could decode the image of that Sardar and draw a aesthetic composition, or make a view of traditional market you have been to. Okay, that's a very easy or basic question. And also to make a 2D composition using different size hexagons with a warm color scheme. Okay, so this is the drawing questions in the morning session. And coming to drawing session in afternoon, you have to draw a portrait of a dancing girl image, and using triangles you have to design a metro station, okay, with nature as the theme. And one a little bit tougher, I think, for many of the students was this fisheye view. And also the next question was object basis question, where the articles like fish, girl, farmer, truck is given. You have to include all these and draw your drawing. Okay, this fisheye view and all, I think those of our students who have attended the practice sessions and all very well, they can crack that tough question also. Okay, usually this type of questions is asked earlier for NATA. JEE, it's a new type included. Okay, so I think you have done it very well. I hope so. Now coming to the conclusion, that is a prediction based on our Ignite students' response. In aptitude, we may comment that it was somewhere from average to EC session. Okay, all of the questions we have done it in each and every of our classes. We have repeatedly learned through all the questions and all. Okay, so the difficulty level was average to easy, and an average attempts is around 44 to 47. Okay, and commenting upon the maths session, it's slightly tough. Always JEE maths stand a little bit tougher side. Okay, so the average attempts was about 5 to 10, and for the drawings, two attempts for all the 2 questions, okay, asked. You could have easily done that. So this is a range for the average attempts for each session. Okay, 44 to 47, 5 to 10 in max, and you are both drawing average. Consider an average drawing. With this, we conclude that if you are able to score a marks of about 180 plus, okay, 180 plus in your aptitude session, then about 20 to 30 about in your math session, then considering an average drawing, then you could score very well between 250 to 270 score. Then you will be comfortably placed in what, 99 percentile. You should aim for, or you should score about 99 percentile, so that you can ensure your seats in top schools. Okay, so what is percentile? We have discussed in all of our previous videos and all what is percentile. The top score students score is taken as what, highest score is considered, which is taken as 100. Then each student is given marks based on this equation. Now this is the last rank details for general category from other states in 2019 and 2020. Okay, SPA Delhi, NIT Trichy, NIT Calicut. You can see the last rank variation. Okay, in 2019 it has gone to thousands and all in NIT Calicut and all, but here after corona and all, the competition is too tight, and you can see how the rank varies, okay, in these 2 years. So we are expecting such a tight pattern for this year also. This is the list for OBC category in other state for the years 2019 and 2020. Okay, you can just go through all this. So we can conclude that. And also for this year, Ignite has is going to start our repeaters batch within 2 or 3 days. Okay, there is a wide response and wide request from students that please do start it at the earliest. Usually we start the repeater batch only after all the allotment process and all, then only. But now all the situation has changed, so students are requesting us to start off the repeaters batch. So we are planning to start our repeater batch within 2 or 3 days. You may check the details in our website and all. So that's all for today. Thank you.